Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I have a special guest with me today. We have E from Oh It's E for gaming videos. Follow him. For today's video, you are going to need safety goggles, safety gloves, a drill, 6 4x2s, wood nails,
and 6 2-foot 4x4s.
6 2-foot 4x4s. And that's about it, right? So,
and some space. We need some space.
yes, and space. We're in our garage today. It is a little cold outside. It's about 50 degrees, so we're dressing comfortable, okay? So let's get started. Now we are going to create some, you said pilot holes in our 4x4 and 4x2s so that we can put our screws inside of it, and we're going to do that all the way around. Let's transfer it outside. All right, now that it is time to transfer our beds outside, I prepared a small mulch area for it over here. And once we have it down, we're gonna fill it with more mulch before we put our soil in. Now that it's placed, I see that I need to add some more of my mulch bed below it. And I'm gonna move my herb garden down. So, all right. All right, so our raised beds are full, and we went around the entire edge and just pushed the mulch up against the side. So now we might need to add a little bit more just rubbish, but then we're gonna start topping it with dirt, soil. Do not say dirt, okay? It's soil. Always use soil. So if you guys try this out, let me know. I'm going to keep updating you all once we get the plants in, once we get the dirt in, and then once we get our net up, because we do have to put a net up to keep the deer out, because we'll have any number of deer in the yard at any time. So we're going to put the net up, we're going to get dirt, we're going to get plants, so just be on the lookout for those videos. Thanks, guys.
Ah!